Here's problem 5 from the 2022 AMC 8. Anna and Bella are celebrating their birthdays together. 5 years ago, when Bella turned 6, she received a newborn kitten. Today the sum of the ages of the two children and the kitten is 30 years. How many years older than Bella is Anna? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's start with Bella. 5 years ago Bella turned 6. So today Bella is 6 plus 5, which is 11 years old. Now the kitten. 5 years ago it was a newborn, so its age was 0. That means today the kitten is 5 years old. The three ages add up to 30. So Anna plus Bella plus the kitten equals 30. That gives Anna equals 30 minus 11 minus 5, which is 14. So Anna is 14 years old. Finally, Anna is 14 and Bella is 11. So Anna is 14 minus 11, which is 3 years older than Bella. The answer is 3. Choice C.